In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zapier with MailerLite step by step so you can connect your tools, automate your workflow, and save time with simple no-code automation. This is a great setup if you want to move data between apps, trigger actions automatically, or build a smarter marketing system without doing everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option and click it. This is where you start building a new automation workflow, also called a Zap. After that, choose Zap Workflows so Zapier knows you want to create a new automated connection between two apps. Now you'll be taken into the Zap editor. The first part of any Zap is the trigger, so click on Trigger to choose what starts your automation. In the search bar, type MailerLite and select it from the list. This tells Zapier that MailerLite will be involved in your workflow. Next, you need to choose a trigger event. You can select any event that fits your use case depending on what you want Zapier to watch for inside MailerLite. For example, you might use a new subscriber event, a form submission, or another list-based action if available. Once you choose the event, Zapier will ask you to log into your MailerLite account. Go ahead and sign in, then complete the authorization process so Zapier can access the account and read the data it needs for the trigger. After login is complete, Zapier will connect the trigger step to MailerLite and prepare it for testing. Next, it's time to set up the action. Click on Action in the Zap editor. This is the step that defines what you want Zapier to do after the MailerLite trigger happens. In the app search, type a second app for your workflow. For example, you can select Sheets if you want to store subscriber data in Google Sheets. You could also connect another supported app depending on your goal, but in this example, Sheets is a simple and useful choice. After selecting the app, click on Choose an Event and pick the action you want that app to perform. Just like before, choose the event that matches your workflow. For a spreadsheet tool, this could be adding a row, updating a row, or creating a record. Then Zapier will ask you to log in to that account as well, so complete the sign-in process and allow access. Once both sides are connected, click Build It in the top area to continue. This moves you toward finalizing the automation and make sure your trigger and action steps are lined up correctly. Before turning anything on, always test the workflow first. Click Test Run so Zapier can verify that the integration works and that data is passing through properly. This is an important step because it helps you catch any issues before your automation goes live. If the test looks good, the final step is to click Publish. That turns on your Zap and activates the integration between Zapier and MailerLite. From that point on, your automation will run automatically whenever the trigger event happens, which means less repetitive work and a much smoother workflow. And that's it, you've now learned how to integrate Zapier with MailerLite. You've set up the trigger, connected the action, tested the automation, and published it successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.